There is a saying, the greatest fools are those who think they are wise. But what if I tell you stupidity isn't about IQ, it's about behavior? Some of the smartest people in history have made unbelievably stupid decisions, while some of the most successful people weren't the smartest, but they were wise. So what really makes a person stupid? Most people think stupidity means not smart, but in reality, stupid people have common patterns that are easy to spot, avoid, and fix. And today we're exposing 6 key signs of a stupid person through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Stick around, because sign 6 might be the one thing secretly holding you back. Let's get started. 1. They always think they're right. Have you ever met someone who just cannot admit they're wrong? No matter how much evidence you present before them, they will fight, argue, and twist logic just to protect their fragile ego. That's sign number 1 of a stupid person. They always think they are right. There is that psychological concept known as the Dunning-Kruger effect, which actually proves that the less one knows, the more he or she thinks they know. Meanwhile, a wise person is the opposite of that. The more he learns, the more he realizes how much he doesn't know. Epictetus, a great Stoic philosopher, once said, "It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows." In other words, if you believe you already have all the answers, you will never learn, grow, or evolve. Smart people question themselves. Foolish people protect their ego. Which one are you? 2. They won't learn. A stupid person doesn't just think they're right, they also won't learn anything new. The world is always changing. New ideas, new technology, new perspectives. But stupid people, they resist it. They won't adapt. Socrates, one of the greatest minds in history, had a simple philosophy. I know that I know nothing. That one statement made him wiser than 99% of people. Because smart people learn. They look for new information, even if it contradicts what they believe. Stoicism says that the wise man is humble. A fool thinks he knows everything. A wise man knows he never will. So ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your mind about something important? If you can't remember, that's a problem. 3. They blame others. Dumb people blame everything but themselves. Their problems? Someone else's fault. Their failures? The system is rigged. Their mistakes? It's never their fault. Think of 2 people who lose their jobs. Person A says, "The company is corrupt. My boss hates me. Life is unfair." Person B says, "Okay, what could I have done better? How can I improve?" Person A remains a victim. Person B takes control of his life. The Stoics believed in controlling what you can and ignoring what you can't. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Stop blaming. Take responsibility. Own your life. That's the difference between stupidity and wisdom. 4. They seek validation. A stupid person gives greater attention to their appearance than to transforming. They are busy with likes, followers, as well as some kind of attention. However, within they are empty. Well said by Marcus Aurelius. It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. Think about that. We ignore our own potential just to impress strangers. Social media has made this 10 times worse. People fake success for validation instead of actually working on themselves. They want to look smart instead of becoming smarter. But the wisest people? They don't seek approval. They focus on self-growth, and the good people respect them for it. So ask yourself, are you pursuing validation or actual wisdom? 5. They react emotionally. A human's control over emotions speaks volumes of their being smart. Idiots react, smart ones respond. The most renowned Stoic, Seneca, had a rule for anger. The greatest remedy for anger is delay, meaning wait. Before you react, before you say something foolish, wait. Stupid people explode in anger, act without thinking, and then they regret it. Smart people control their anger and think before acting. Which one are you? 6. They surround themselves with fools. You tend to become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with ignorant, lazy, and negative people, guess what? You will become just like them. The Stoics believed in choosing your circle wisely. Associate only with those who will make you better. Epictetus. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, and push you to grow. Because if you don't, you'll end up just another fool in the crowd. If this video helped you, subscribe to The Stoic Thought for more wisdom. Thanks for watching.